Welcome to solverfy.
All right, if we have the inequality 6 times x squared minus 1 greater than 5x, let's distribute the 6, and let's set this greater than 0. So we have 6x squared minus 5x minus 6 greater than 0, so that we can think of this as a quadratic. Let's solve this quadratic for 0, and if we think 6x squared minus 5x minus 6 equals 0 right now, we can then determine what we're going to do with these roots. We could factor what multiplies to negative 36. We're going to have to do this a little different, but we can. What multiplies to negative 36 and adds to negative 5. Let's see, 9 and 4. So multiplies to negative 36x adds to negative 5 would be a negative 9x and a positive 4x. Okay, so now we can group. And from the first group, we could factor out a 3x, left with 2x minus 3. And then from the second group, we could take out a 2, left with 2x minus 3. Now we have a common 2x minus 3, and what we took out, 3x plus 2. And by the zero factor theorem, we can set each factor equal to 0 and solve. So 2x would equal 3, therefore x would be 3 halves. And divide negative 2 by 3, x is negative 2/3. This is when it's equals. Now let's make sense of what's happening here. 0 is the x-axis, and so we would want to know, when is this quadratic greater than 0? It will open up and we can see that we'd have solutions at 1.5 and negative 2/3. And it's going to be opening up because it's positive. So when is it greater than 0? Basically, if it's strictly greater, as it is, null or equal to, it'd be open and to the left and open and to the right of those solutions. It's not in between. So if you give this an interval notation, the solution would be from negative infinity to negative 2/3 not included, union 3 halves not included to infinity. If you don't use interval notation, then you would say x is less than negative 2/3 and x is greater than 3 halves.